Hey you! Welcome to Earth, where we can all recognize there's a lot of work to do, but here's a way you can plug in, right now. Because there's something cool beginning to grow down here in the territory of the Squaxin Island tribe. The Squaxin Island tribe, descendants of peoples of the Salish Sea, started the Salish Roots Farm in response to health disparities among tribal members as a result of being severed from traditional ways and shrinking access to forageable lands and waters. The farm is healing the members through direct access to healthy foods, nutrition education, and community reclamation of traditional foods and medicine, a movement known as food sovereignty. A local area nonprofit organization, Metamimicry, is working with the farm to expand this program through the addition of the often forgotten but majorly important world of mushrooms. Mushrooms are a substantial and healthy food source, and when consumed in condensed medicinal forms, act as a powerful treatment for many ailments. Mushrooms act as a full-circle crop capable of growing on what we consider waste, such as wood chips and sawdust, and even spent coffee grounds. Metamimicry specializes in growing mushrooms that help us clean the environment, breaking down toxic pollutants. Together, the Salish Roots Farm and Metamimicry are planting SPoRE, the Salish place of remediation and education. SPoRE will be a place where tribal members and the greater community can come together to cultivate mushrooms, have workshops, exchange knowledge, access a library, and participate in community science experiments. We want to start growing and learning right now, but we need help. Please donate to help make SPoRE happen, and if you're in the area, reach out to us for on-the-ground support. Share this video, talk about it with your friends and family. Help spread the SPoRE. We need to raise $25,000 before August 30th, so we can get growing by the fall. We want the SPoRE to act as a model for other communities to create similar spaces. We believe that community access to growing foods, medicine, making it easy for people to clean their environment, and supporting tribal sovereignty through this avenue of reclaiming indigenous knowledge is necessary for building the regenerative models of living that we need. We can do this, but we have to do it together.